Hello everyone, today I will solve the question remove duplicates from sorted array. The question number is 26 and the question statement is given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order or increasing order. Remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. So we need to return our answer in increasing order, right? Now, since it is impossible to change the length of the array in some languages, you must instead have the result in place in the first part of the array nums. So we need to return our answers in the first part only, right? More formally, if there are k elements after removing the duplicates, then the first k elements of nums should hold the final result. If in our answer we are returning k, if it is our answer is k, I will explain you what is k. So in first k element should be our answer, right? Now it does not matter what you leave beyond the first k elements, so it does not matter what you keep it after that k elements. Return k after placing the final digits in the first k slots of num. Do not allocate extra space for another array, so we do not need to make any another array. We need to modify the input array only. Okay, now I am explaining you with an example. So the first example is they are giving us a num array, right? It is 1 1 2 and we need to remove the duplicates, so we will remove this one, right? Now we do not need to make new array, we are modifying this only. So now our array is 1 2, but we are not changing the size of array, so we will put it dash or anything, you can put it anything here, because we will return 2, because now we have two unique integers, so we will return 2 as it is returned here, right? We will return 2 and the nums array. It will check first two position only, it will not bother about after that position. Like in this second example, it is 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 4. So in this example we have unique integers 0 1 2 3 and 4. So we have 5 unique integers, right? So we will return 5 and our output array should be 0 1 2 3 4, and you can put it anything here, it does not matter for them. Okay, so now I will explain you our solution. First the logic, then I will explain you the code part. Logic will be, we will have a position, we will have a int position, integer position, and we will run a for loop on this nums. I am explaining you for 0 0 1 1 2. Okay, we will iterate on each integers of this nums. We will run a for loop on this nums. At first our iteration will be on this 0 and I will be 0 and the position will be 0, because it is a unique value 0. When the I will be 0, you can say position will be 0, we will simply increase the position to 1. We will increase its size by 1, so it will be 1. Now our iteration will be on this position. It will check the previous value, it is greater than or not. If it is greater than, here in this case it is not greater than, it is equal to the previous value, so we will simply move our iteration. Now it will be on this one, it is greater than the previous 0, right? So we will increase our, first we will change the position, that will be nums position, that it is nums 1 to this value, that is 1. Now our position will be 0 1 1 1 2, right? And we will increase the position by 1, it will be now 2. Now our iteration will be on this one, it is not here in this example it is not greater than the previous one because previous one is 1 only. So we will again move to the next iteration. It is 2, right? So now we will, it is greater than the previous one, right? So we will first change nums 2 to 2. So it will be 0 1 2 1 2, right? And the position, we will increase position. The position is 3. So our solution will be, we will return this position after the completion of the for loop. Now our k will be 3 and the value we will return is 0 1 2 1 2. Because it will check only first 3 value, it is right. Now I will explain you the code part. First we are initializing the position to the 0. It is for loop. It is a. Now if position is 0, if it is initial condition, then we will simply make it to the nums 0 to the same value, and we will increase the its size, position size. If it is not the case, in that case we will check whether this value, the current value, is greater than the previous value or not. If it is greater than the previous value, we will simply make it like this. We will change the position nums value at that position to the x, and we will increase the position value and simply return the position. Now I'm running the code. It's running. Thank you.